Hello everyone, in this video we will going to learn how can we create a quiz using MS Form and how can we collaborate that quiz with the other teachers. So first as we do we can go to the assignment section and then we can go to the create option and we can click on quiz. Then let me choose a class. I'll choose 7A. Click on next and then you can you can click on new quiz option. Clicking on new quiz, your quiz will get open. Now this is your quiz where you can give a title, say demo, and then after you can add the new section like the way we do. We can add the new section, we can add a new question, MCQ type question, we can add text type question, we can add different type of question, like we can we can choose file upload type question and all. So after doing all these things, we can go to the settings option. Click on settings and here what we can do, we can only choose show automatically, show result automatically. We will keep it no, because we don't want to show the result automatically to the student. Then after any here we will choose only people in my organization can respond. Anyone I will not choose and we will not choose. And then we can choose the start date and we can choose the end date also, that we of course know. Then I'll click on that done button. So my quiz is already created and I will yeah, that assign will come. So I will not assign it to student, I will just save it. So once I'll save it, it will get stored into the draft as we know. So I think it is saved in the draft. Yeah. So the name of the assignment was demo. Let me check whether it is saved or not. So again I'll go to the create option, I'll choose quiz. So I'll go to the class 7A and I will click on next. So let me check, demo is created by today only by me. Like all these quiz are created by me, and demo, class 7A maths quiz and class 7A 8B maths quiz are created today only. So now what I can do, I'll close all this and there over here I'll click. Here I'll get all the application of Microsoft 365. So from here we will get the access of forms. So here as you can see, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, SharePoint, Excel, OneNote and Teams, OneDrive. So we cannot see forms. So I'll click on that Microsoft 365. Clicking on Microsoft 365, here I am getting the option forms. As you can see, here I am getting the options form. I'll click on it. I'll click on it. Yeah, I can see the demo form like the way we do it in Google Form. Same platform we can see. I'll click on it. Demo form will get open over here. I have not written anything. I have not added any question. So from here we can see the responses. There is no response. Yeah, question also not added. So from here you can share the link. So you can shorten the link and you can copy it. You can share in any of the like class chat box. If you want to add it, if you want some other teacher, then click on share to collaborate. Then click on it, and who can, like with whom you want to collaborate. For that there are few options, like so what we will choose, specific people in my organization can view and edit. I'll choose that. So here I can write the teacher's name, like if I want to add it with Divyangana ma'am, say. So I'll choose Divyangana ma'am's name. If I want to add it, yeah, if I want to add it with Debosri ma'am, say. I think I'm writing a wrong spelling. Yeah, I can add it with Debosri ma'am. Yeah, So this Debosri ma'am, Devyangana ma'am and me are the owner of this MS form. They can see and they can if they want they can change in the question. They have the access. Others will be able to see but they will not get the access. So this is the thing. So from here you can share the link, from here you can check the responses, from here you will be able to post the score. Once there will be some of the responses will get recorded, we will get the options post scores, that option will get activated, and then yeah, I think other things are already cleared for us. From here also we can do the settings. I think this is it. This will be a little helpful for all of us, that we can share a single quiz with everybody. So if we want to conduct a exam, so we will be able to do it from here. From form we can share it with the others with the other teachers. We can share it with the other students also. We can collaborate the paper with the other teachers, with our co-teachers, and if you want to assign it, then in that case, so we will again go to the team. We will click on assignment, we will click on create, we'll choose quiz. From here I'll choose 7A because it is already assigned to 7A, and then from here I'll click on demo, go to the next option. So from here you can assign it. I think it will get activated soon. Yeah, it get activated. So from here you can assign it. Once you will assign it, it will come to their assignment section. And if you don't want to assign it, if you want it to be happen by sharing the link, then from form section you can share the link with the students in the chat box only. Thank you so much for listening to me.